आसमां से बरस भर भर के नीले पीले हर कलर के तू खेले जी भर के ऐ दिल तुझे पता है।
Happy anniversary. God bless you.
হ্যাপি অ্যানিভার্সারি
হ্যাপি অ্যানিভার্সারি সোমা,
খুব ভালো থেকো।
মেনি হ্যাপি রিটার্ন অফ দ্য ডে, মেনি হ্যাপি রিটার্ন অফ দ্য
আমরা
ডে।
সব ভালো আছি এখানে, কোনো চিন্তা করো না তোমরা। হ্যাঁ, তোমরা ভালো থেকো, সাবধানে থেকো, ঠিক আছে? ঠিক আছে।
Hello, Papu and Shoma. Wish all the best to the best couple in the world. May you be locked together throughout your life. Be happy and always smile. Over to.
Hello, Papu and Shoma. Happy anniversary, 17th anniversary. In difficult time, this is a difficult time of COVID-19. So, a special celebration of this anniversary, wherein I wish you stay together at home, cook together, celebrate together, get a lot of time to celebrate together with two lovely kids. Wish you all the best.
কৌশিক আর সোমা শুভ বিবাহ বার্ষিকী। I don't know how much I can speak about Kaushik and Shoma. I think one of the most wonderful couple that we have as our friends. If I talk about Kaushik, multi-talented guy, he's a L&D stalwart, HR director of a company, adventurer, whatnot, a multi-dimensional person, and what a partner he has in Shoma. Another multi-talented person. I think a rally driver, a great cook, and especially her doi bora is awesome. I really miss that doi bora. I'm sure when the lockdown would open, and we will get into many food, but doi bora is going to be on top of my priority, and two wonderful kids you have, and most importantly very warm family, a family who has stood with us steadfast in our good times and our bad times as well. But I wish both of you great times ahead, not only this year, in years to come, and happy anniversary to both of you. And a Glenlivet for your on your anniversary.
Happy anniversary, Kaushik and Shoma. So, in this walking in life, Kaushik and Shoma is a great friends, और ऐसे दोस्त हैं जो कभी भी कोई भी स्थिति में वो लोग हमारे साथ सबके साथ रहते हैं। एंड क्या बोलूँ, इनके बारे में बोलने से शुरू करूँगी ना तो ख़त्म नहीं होगा। सो एंजॉय योर डे एंड थैंक यू सो मच।
एक चीज आई डोंट नो, कौशिक एंड शोमा, you would observe the stripes of both of us. Looks like कैदी का जो वो ड्रेस पहनते हैं, but we are कैद, so we are probably aptly dressed. So again, happy anniversary to both of you.
Kaushik and Shoma always wear the same dress. So today, me and Shantanu is wearing same dress.
All the best.
Okay, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Happy anniversary again.
Happy anniversary, Shri and Kaushik. God bless you.
God bless you. You both are lovely people and you make a beautiful couple. Stay the way you are and you inspire us all. Stay blessed.
Stay happy, stay young. और आपके लिए एक सरप्राइज है which will follow, so please wait. Happy anniversary once again.
Love you both.
Hi Kaushik and Shoma. Wish you both a very very happy anniversary. God bless you. ये मैं पहली बार कर रहा हूँ, and this is a gift for you and wishes for you both from me and Monica. I hope you like this one. न ये चांद होगा न तारे रहेंगे, मगर हम हमेशा तुम्हारे रहेंगे. न ये चांद होगा न तारे रहेंगे, मगर हम हमेशा तुम्हारे रहेंगे. न ये चांद होगा. ये रात ये चांदनी फिर कहाँ, सुन जा दिल की दास्तां, सुन जा दिल की दास्तां. बेकरार करके हमें यूं न जाइए, आपको हमारी कसम लौट आइए. बेकरार करके हमें यूं न जाइए, आपको हमारी कसम लौट आइए. देखिए वो काली काली बदलियां, जुल्फ की घटा चुरा न ले कहीं.
Hi Kaushik, Shoma, happy marriage anniversary.
Congratulations to both of you for another wonderful year of falling in love with each other.
गाना तो बनता है ना?
बिल्कुल
एक गाना
बिल्कुल
बनता है?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
अच्छा भाई, इतना जबरदस्ती करे तो गाना सुनो भाई. कौन सा वाला? ये वाला? अच्छा ये वाला गाना सुनो. हो चांदनी जब तक रात देता है हर कोई साथ, तुम अगर अंधेरों में ना छोड़ना मेरा साथ. न कोई है न कोई था जिंदगी में तुम्हारे सिवा, तुम देना साथ मेरा वो हम नवा. न कोई है न कोई था जिंदगी में तुम्हारे सिवा, तुम देना साथ मेरा वो हम नवाज. Enjoy, have a great day, yaar.
Happy anniversary, Kaushik, Shoma. Hope you guys had a great time today. Did you open up a bottle of beer?
Hi guys, happy anniversary and wish you all many more years of blissful marriage. Happy anniversary again.
Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary, Shoma and Kaushik.
Stay blessed and stay the beautiful couple that you have always been.
Hi, wish you a very very happy anniversary to both of you.
Happy anniversary, guys.
Wish a perfect couple a very perfect day.
And hope in this lockdown you get the time to go back down your memory lane and share all the sweet memories amongst both of you. Enjoy your day and create a sutra kind of environment at
Cheers.
home itself. Cheers to you.
Hi. Happy anniversary, Shoma and Kaushik. You guys are made for each other. Happy, enjoy, party time, have fun, guys.
Guys, best wishes for being locked together forever. Enjoy, play safe, have fun.
फिर दिल के रास्तों.
Wish you a very happy anniversary, Shoma and Kaushik.
This lockdown special song is dedicated to you guys. हाथ थाम ले पिया, करते हैं वादा, अब से तो आरज़ू तू ही है इरादा. मेरा नाम ले पिया, मैं तेरी रुबाई, तेरे ही तो पीछे पीछे बरसात आई, बरसात आई. तू इत्र सा मेरे सांसों में बिखर जा, मैं फकीर तेरी गुर्बत का तुझसे तो मांगू रे. Enjoy yourself, guys. Have fun.
Have fun. Bye.
Congratulations, Shoma and Kaushik. Wishing you both a very happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary, Shoma and Kaushik. Wishing you years of togetherness.
Hi guys, wishing both of you a wonderful anniversary. from Shinde family.
Happy anniversary, Kaushik and Shoma.
Happy anniversary, Kaushik and Shoma. And this is something for both of you.
जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए, जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए, तुम देना साथ मेरा, ओ हमनवाज. Remembering the anniversary party that we had at your place last year.
An amazing time spent together.
So cheers to you guys.
Cheers.
Hey lovebirds, Shoma and Kaushik, wishing you both a very, very, very happy anniversary. Many, many congratulations. Keep smiling, keep dancing, keep fighting, keep going to Sutra, keep having beer. Cheers. Happy anniversary once again.
Dear, dear, dear darlings Kaushik and Shoma, my dear buddies, a very, very, very happy anniversary to you. The 17th, sweet 17th anniversary, huh? So you guys must rock today. Have a great party at home with children. I look forward to partying with you the next time I'm together with you guys in Sutra in celebration of your anniversary. 17 years, huh? I vividly remember having attended your marriage a couple of days, dressed up to kill in the clothes that Kaushik told me to buy. Remember that always. And see what joy life has brought to you guys. You have such wonderful two kids, Pia and Dia, both such lovable darlings. So you're blessed. Make it special today. You're an inspiration couple. Love you both. Keep it going, guys. Rock it.
कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है कि जैसे तुझको बनाया गया है मेरे लिए. तू अब से पहले सितारों में बस रही थी कहीं, तुझे ज़मीं पे बुलाया गया है मेरे लिए.
Happy anniversary to an awesome couple, my darlings. Casey, the Bedomatic guy.
Happy anniversary, Shoma and Kaushik. I am back from Goa and wishing you a very happy anniversary, guys. You rock, you rock, you rock.
Love you, love you.
अरे मुझे भी आने दो. एक मिनट. Yes, sorry. आई. Hello, happy anniversary once again. We love you guys. Big hugs, big hugs, big hugs.
Casey, control yourself. You shouldn't be doing so much of Bedomatics at this age.
You should be doing. You should be doing. We need one more sibling for your two daughters. They need another companion, please soon.
Okay, guys, love you. See you soon. Love you.
Here's to productivity and reproductivity.
कोई ढीला पुस पड़ा है, हवा पे खड़ा है, हर एक में मजा है, ऐ दिल तुझे पता है, ये लम्हे और क्या है, जान ले किस्म किस्म के हैं.